Hi guys, so it has been officially for me 2 months since I have last trimmed my hair, so that means it's time for me to trim it again. So for this video, it is not a tutorial, it's just how I trim my transitioning hair. I could be doing it 100% wrong. I am not a professional at this by any means necessary, so I probably do everything wrong, but you know what? Yeah, so this is just a video on how I trim my transitioning hair, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I need to get a container to put this hair in. So you just keep watching the video. Oh, also, if you haven't watched my last hair video, I talked about using biotin, or just basically I want people to stop shaming people for using biotin because I use biotin. And if you want to watch, go ahead and watch that video, and you know, whatever. I'll probably talk more about like the kind of biotin that I use. I look crazy, but I'll probably talk about the type of biotin that I use, you know, maybe later on in the future, whatever. I don't know, I'm working on it, but yeah. So let me just go ahead and get on into this video. So now I am done trimming my hair, and it low-key looks like I didn't do anything to it, to be honest. But this is all the hair that was inside the jar. So I guess I did cut off quite a bit, and if you did see, I did actually cut off a strand of hair. I think this is, no, not this part, but this is it right here. That's a whole strand of relaxed hair gone. I actually have a few more pieces all throughout my head because I have been doing that a little bit, but I don't know, I just felt like doing it in the moment. A lot of hair. Where did all this hair come from? Jeez. I always think I'm going bald headed, and then I do something like this and it's like, no, you fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you are natural, transitioning, relaxed, or you know, whatever it is on your journey. And if you are transitioning, how often are you trimming your hair and how much are you trimming off? I'm not gonna lie, I did it all uneven and I felt like that was okay because I don't know, I just felt that it was alright. I'm not looking for a shape or anything, but I cut off like an inch on some parts. I'll cut off like maybe over 2 inches on some other parts. So yeah, it's not all that even, but it's okay because I always put my hair up anyways, which I'm about to do that in like a little bit. You can check out all my social medias down below. And also, I should start saying this now, I should have been saying it. If you like my videos or like what you see and stuff, and if you are subscribed, click that bell so that you could get notifications, because apparently you're not going to see my videos in your sub box sometimes. I don't know, whatever. So just go ahead and, you know, put the bell on so you can see these weirdo videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, because we're trying to get this channel up to 500 subscribers by the end of the year, and I think it would be pretty cool if we could make that happen. Okay, I'm gonna go. It's hot and this is a lot of hair. I gotta put it up because boy is it hot up in here with these lights. Okay, bye. I can't wait to do a blowout. Yeah.